Yes, my people. So for your first time I watch a channel, more you like, share, and subscribe. MoneyRasTV. Check out the content them. Brand new, active, realistic. Yeah, man. MoneyRasTV. Just go and check me out. Support me. If you want to make a donation, link me on Instagram. Yeah, MoneyRasTV. Brand new content each and every week. Just support me and help me grow. MoneyRasTV. Like, share, subscribe.
Actions alive, but they play Jerry that man. My name Jason.
Yeah,
Name Jerry, man.
Jason. I say I heard Jerry that. Yeah, man. Good to be here, you know.
China Porty?
Yeah.
Alright, China Porty, me there towards.
That's good. It's a blissful nature place, you know.
Yeah, man.
Sea pretty, river pretty, beaches pretty.
Fellowship, yeah, the broads, them good man, them brawling man. Them beautiful man.
Beautiful.
Them everywhere man. So them a look man for mine.
Why some of them just high-glue, you know, and then just want to high-glue with you, you know, and give sweet talk and make you have sweet feelings too.
But some of them yellow virgin, them a look man for mine. Them now look no 50-50 love and no 60-40. Them want 100. You can't even get none from them for your birthday.
I don't like, I didn't impress them, you know. Yeah. Yeah, because boss lady them, independent.
Of course, love them.
Yeah. You know, put in 100 platinum and 100 pine. Yeah. And I say more put in 50 more platinum and 50 more pine.
But me I talk about the car, me have a youth from foreign now. And I tell them say the economy is pretty much the same, it's just the money value is different. Like
The gold in the weed is the best thing right now, yeah, you know. So if I have the gold.
and them can expand, but we don't want to expand too far. If we can expand in the Porty, in a different section of Porty, like we have Bancho, we have Bonnet View, we have Settlement, we have Fellowship, we have places to go, Towns Home. A whole heap of place to make money about the place.
True.
That is the pre.
And you build a spot.
But yeah, we just want him to have money accumulate, yes sir. He can come down here and just have money. Like in the next Jamaica, we can use that and build a house.
That's true.
Start a next business, then build a house. So you mean, pay money for me, virgin. Nothing better. You have a link for me?
Yeah.
And give me the argument.
Alright, now I see some good business in our farming thing to choose from what they know.
Like what going, like where you see?
Yeah, then I see some island world, so we have to go get some food, put in the earth. I don't know some animal we want to farm.
So whenever you're ready to give me the link, man, just give me the link. But there, Money Ras Khan at the center, so I always come about the place as me there. As me there from foreign, me there, so.
That's good.
Brethren them in, so.
If you're there, because you're there, you know, and the team work make the dream work, you know.
Oh, you
That's
mean?
it. If you're there, the dream of the work.
Either way, we accomplish more.
True.
Team, T-E-A-M.
True,
We have to accomplish more.
True, bro.
Oh yeah, excellent, brother, you know. That's why we're in Jamaica right now. We're soaking in the energy, soaking in just the beautiful environment. A lot of inspiration. It's a very beautiful place to get creative. That's what I'm feeling, but I'm looking to record, man, get in the studio and start producing some music, put some music out there.
Yeah, man,
Good, very good, healthy, conscious music, organic.
this is what we're working on. We're working on it right now. You know, my man in the shop. So we don't know. We're gonna work on it. If we're there, we're trying to connect. You know,
I got 1 week left in Jamaica. I'll be here for a
Will
month.
you be here again, right?
I'm coming back in July, August to live.
So when you visit constantly, you know, we're gonna link up. We're gonna be right here. He just explained to you, Bonnet View is where I live. I'm not gonna move. Bonnet View, I know you have a lot of connections there. A lot of people, you know, Bonnet View.
Everywhere.
Right. So
brother.
All right.
That's all I need.
All right. Respect, yes, sir. How much up?
Right, kid, sweat on man. Sweat on my God. Go on my God.
Yeah, but no smoke, man.
Yeah, you know, like,
Man,
man.
I want to make some money.
Well,
There you
me,
go.
the day I talked to Jason, and I tell me, say, yo, you really there going into that business there for sure, but you're really serious,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Like
Really
that,
serious.
brother.
Every day, me and father there, we are also making money. You know, me and Peter, Jaden, and all that, David, them to feed, man.
Yeah, man, I like that, man. I not lie, brother. A good thing you do, brother. Really serious. You know, me go check back with Jason.
Yeah.
No, not Jason. Jerry.
Yeah.
I make him know, say, yo, John, no. And really for hear the link, they get me, and the two are really for to do the business together because they're really serious. I like that. You get what me I show you?
And the money, you have to make your no money. You hear the name, you know, so you have to make your legacy, make you know.
Yeah,
No,
man.
father there, I do the right thing, and for there, I do the right thing too.
Righteousness, man. Yo, brother, just keep it up, you know. Don't give up. Here.
That time.
Yo, look more. Here.
Ah,
Say no. Oh, boy, there.
Everything up.
Yeah, man, John, no, good to see you, man. You know, say, one day you come to link me, but I told you that there are some white people that I deal with, right?
Yeah.
But I seen Jason, and he might tell me, say, yeah, nigga, link up, so now do some, want to sell there, and some jelly business, and one bag of things, so I'm in, I want to be in.
I don't have no problem with it. That Jason, me I look for now to confirm it, and I'm supposed to go take care of that, but he never show up for me. So I hope you're not like him, so maybe just work it then. I'm going to do it.
I say no,
I don't want everything say you steal them, you know, clientele or whatever.
No,
and
man,
you can
like
take him
that,
and pay
like
bill.
that.
You have to make them
Not
money.
like that, but
When
you
they
know,
can come on board, I don't know. I'm not stocking up.
yeah, it's in
Go on, you.
All right, no say nothing here.
Little more.
All right, my dad.